Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make beer brats. Yes sir, this is good stuff right here. We're starting out with 2 large yellow onions. And we've cut these onions in half, and then we're just going to slice it like so that we can produce these half rings. And we're going to break these up and put it into our 8-quart pot. Next we've got 2 large green bell peppers, and we've removed the seeds and we're just slicing them up like so. And what we're going to do with that is just cut those in half and drop those in the pot. By the way, if you've never had beer brats before, welcome to your new addiction. Next we're going to mince up 2 large garlic cloves, get them nice and chopped up, and add those to the pot. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to start this on a medium heat. So we're going to continue to stir and cook this until the onions get translucent, and that's going to take about 10 minutes. And now it's time to add the sausages. So we've got 1 package of brats and 1 package of kielbasa, and you can mix them around as you want. It's up to you. But don't do anything weird like chicken sausages or tofu sausages. Blah.
Beer me, baby.
Alright, we're adding 2 bottles of Monk in the Trunk. That's an amber beer, but you can certainly add whatever kind of beer you like. And once you add your beer, make sure you submerge the sausages in it, and then turn the heat up to about medium-high to high, and you want to bring everything to a boil. And when you reach a boil, sausages should change color, and you're ready to turn down the heat. We're going to bring this down to a medium-low and cover it with a lid. So we're just simmering here, and we're about halfway reduced. And we want to stir it every now and then. Make sure you get that beer coating on all sides of your sausages. And now what we're going to do, and this is optional, but if you got it, do it. We're going to bring these outside and put them on the grill. Yeah, it's fire time, baby. Alright, so we're running on a low heat, and we're about 500 degrees here. And we're just going to throw all these guys on here for about 5 minutes per side. And we've also got some buns ready, and we've got some baby Swiss on those buns. Hun. So the only reason why this step should be optional is that you don't have a grill. And if you don't have a grill, you need to open a GoFundMe page right now and get people to help you get a grill. I mean, even some cans of Sterno and matches would be acceptable. You could still hang with us. So no matter how you do it, make sure you get your sausages over some fire for a few minutes. When you've had them on for 5 minutes per side, bring them back inside, put them in the pot, let them cook some more. Alright, so we're going to keep cooking until this liquid reduces, and we're going to thicken it up, and we're going to have a nice little spread to put on top of these guys. And when you don't have much liquid left anymore, just go ahead and serve yourself some sausages. And you can see how much the onions and peppers have reduced. You've also got chunks of garlic in there. Looking good. Food porn flyover. Oh hell yeah. Doesn't that look good? Getting hungry? You saw how easy this was to make? Super delicious. You got that beer profile. You got that fire flavor. These are great with a side of fries. So if you like this recipe, click like, click subscribe. Leave us some feedback in the comments section. Check out our website, manthat'scooking.com. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram. Thanks for watching. We hope you make this recipe and enjoy.